folks. So today is Thursday night. It is late. It's like 11 o'clock and we're doing this. It's the night before our youth rally and Cam wanted his hair to be blonde for the youth rally. So we decided that we were gonna dye his hair blonde a long time ago, but I really didn't want to have to do this super late at night because I wanted to be like focused and alert. So this is about to be real funny because I've never dyed Cam's hair. I've dyed my hair before, I've dyed Lexus's hair before. So I have experience with the dyeing hair, and we're just doing a bleach blonde. Like, it's really not anything spectacular. We're just gonna do a bleach blonde. It's gonna be funny because I don't think Cam has ever had his hair dyed or done anything to it like this before. So I'm really hoping that number one, it doesn't burn him, and number two, it turns out good. So I've got my stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what I have here before Cam comes down. Like I said, he's in the shower, so I'm gonna do this while he's in the shower. The bleach that I'm gonna be using is the L'Oreal Quick Blue. This is the one that I always use. I have a huge tub of it because I usually dye my own extensions and I've dyed other people's hair before. So it's like usually what I use. This is a very strong bleach. It says it can be used on and off the scalp. So I also got some processing caps. They didn't have a small batch of these. They just had this million amount. So I got that, but you can never have too many shower caps. You never know when you're gonna need them. I also got some shimmer lights. I ran out of shimmer lights when I was blonde. When I had my short blonde hair, I used to wash my hair with shimmer lights all the time. So this is my favorite shampoo for toning, because if you tone your hair with this, it can kind of help get rid of some of the yellow and stuff. If that doesn't work well, I got the Wella Color Charm, and I got the color T14. It's pale ash blonde. He doesn't want to be silver, so we didn't need T18, so I just got T14. And then I got two of the Ion Step 1 Absolute Perfection. And these are little boosters. Add some moisture and protection to your hair. It says it restores moisture, reduces breakage, and prevents dryness during chemical services. So you add this to the mixture, the bleach mixture, and it keeps your hair from frying, basically. It's supposed to work like Olaplex, but just not as good as Olaplex, obviously, because it's only $1. So yeah, I got an extra packet of Quick Blue just in case I ran out, but I do have enough in here. It's just blue powder bleach, so this is what the Quick Blue looks like. That's how much I have left. So I got an extra packet just in case, but I don't think I'll need it. If I need to, I'll have to do the process again. I'll just wash it out and do it again. But I'm really hoping I only have to do it once because I don't want to be up all night trying to process this hair. So we gonna get it blonde though. We gonna get it blonde tonight, okay? I have my dye bowl here. I've used this dye bowl many times. I need to wash it out. Brush. So we're ready. Oh, also, I have lots of developers. This is 20 volume. This is the one that I use for the toner. I also have Salon Care 30 volume, and I have Salon Care 40 volume. So I have two different volumes. So basically the process for bleach blonde is really easy. I don't suggest you do this at home unless you're a professional. Obviously I'm not a professional, but I'm a YouTuber, and so we consider ourselves professionals at things that we're not professional at. Yeah, I would not suggest you do this at home without redoing your research, but basically I've done this a million times. You mix the powder bleach with the developer, stir, put it on the hair. With short hair, it should be really easy because I don't have to part and do all of that. I try to get it on there, leave it on for about 30 minutes or so, see how it's processing, take it off, and do it again if I need to. So, and then we tone and deep condition the mess out of his hair because I don't want him to, you know, like I said, we want it to fry. Are you ready, babe? I'm ready. This is my client, Cameron. He's a virgin to getting his hair dyed, so. Do you have Vaseline on your face? You'll be all right.
It's right upstairs. On my side of the...
I don't think I need Vaseline.
Go get it done, 'cause I ain't never done this before. Never.
Because we don't want him to burn or nothing on his little face, we gonna use some Vaseline.
While you're doing this, I need you to breathe out your nose though.
Why are you looking like that?
I had this much Vaseline on me since grandma's house. About 1996.
You shining, honey, you shining.
You know, because every grandma got big hands, so it's all over your face. You get this Vaseline on your face.
Surgery. Gonna take your bowl. You're gonna take your bleach. Do 1 scoop. I'm gonna do 30 volume because this is an on scalp application. Okay, you wanna burn his head up. I'm not gonna use 40. I poured into my mixture. You want it to make a nice yogurty consistency. Not too runny, not too thick. I'm also gonna take this ion booster, the little ion booster. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna protect his hair so it doesn't fry and singe.
Don't I gotta use special shampoo too now?
Purple.
The purple shampoo. Why is it like? Why does it have to be purple though?
The purple counteracts the yellow. And everything is in there. Now you're gonna mix it up. Color theory 101. The opposite of yellow is purple. So if you want to get rid of yellow tones in your hair, if you're blonde, you use purple. And this is not enough. It's gotta be the right consistency. Don't look at me like that. Don't watch what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm a professional. Yogurty
For New York City, the brand new iPhone
consistency.
11 is out. We have it a little bit early.
All right, we're about to start painting. Are you ready?
It's not just the iPhone 11.
Are you scared?
Also the 11
Yep.
Pro and the Apple Watch.
Me too. It's 11:25. Here we go.
What it reminded me of right away is actually the Safari Leica camera,
Ooh,
which is
this is happening. And we're processing.
Pretty sure it's going to be okay. And there are a lot of extra
Is it hot?
pads on the corners. So
Not
I'm
yet.
going to selectively use this.
Make sure you get it all in there because his hair's a little long, so it feels hot. All right.
Slow motion, but if you
So I started at 25, it's 30. I'm gonna give it
no damage and no scratches. This case
30 minutes.
case really works.
We'll see how it looks in 30 minutes. Put that on there.
So the sun is finally going down, and that means we get to test out the night mode. The iPhone 11 and 11
But it don't burn or nothing, right?
have night mode, and it does some really impressive
That's because
things.
he don't scratch his head. If you scratch your head, it will burn.
And I tried not to scratch it because that's normally when I do
Yeah.
get in my scalp when I wash my hair. Try not to.
All right. We'll come back in 30 minutes. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Are you ready to see this? I'm gonna wash it out with some Head & Shoulders Moisture Shampoo first because that's coconut oil in it. And I don't need to tone it yet, so I don't need to use purple shampoo yet. That's one process. Probably gonna have to do it again because you're really gold.
Hey, yeah. Hey, hey, yeah.
If you don't put your hand in this bowl.
Right, get this. You should have been had that on. You put no cold water on my hair. My hair smell like the pool.
It's warmish.
It smell like the gangster pool walking in.
It What's the gangster food?
That's literally what it's called. Okay, it's getting too hot. Turn it to the middle. A little more toward the warm. Baby!
Don't move your head.
You just got water in my ear and eye.
Oh my God, it's water. Okay.
Hot water. It is on my scalp.
So we're gonna have to do it again. Because you're looking real orange right now. Not orange, it's yellow.
I look like the dude that was trying to kidnap Su Young. Juntao.
You do.
Come here.
It's rush hour. All right, so it's a little burnt. It's a little crisp brown right now. It needs to be fully blonde. So I'm gonna go over the top again, even though it would have gotten lighter if your hair wasn't so long. I feel like because your hair is long right now, that's why it didn't lighten all the way like I wanted it to. So I am gonna go over it again. I'm not gonna like brush it all the way to his scalp because the scalp hair is actually the blonde that I want it to be. As you can see, close to the scalp, it's actually blonde. But like the longer parts are more like burnt, crispy. So I feel like it would be fine if you cut it, but just for uniformity purposes, I kind of want to do it again.
Do it right.
We're gonna go ahead and do one more process. And we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. Capping. 30 more minutes. All right, it's been about 20 more minutes. So we're gonna wash it out because I don't want to damage his hair too much. And I'm scared. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash it again with the moisture shampoo. And then I'm gonna wash it again after that with the shimmer lights so that we can tone it. Depending on how blonde it is, we may need to use the actual toner.
I feel like it's still pretty yellow.
You want to leave it on?
Like if you look right here, don't it look yellow still?
I mean, it's gonna be yellow. I have to tone it. You don't want it to be too light because if I tone it, it's gonna turn silver. So the longer pieces still look a little dark, but you're cutting those off, so that doesn't matter. I'm gonna use the purple shampoo to tone it first and see how well this does.
Yeah, like the thicker parts of my hair are yellow.
Mm-hmm. Right. So you'll have to tell them to cut it down a lot. So you was trying to keep your waves?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is like golden.
I mean, we can... I probably should have left it on the second time a little bit longer. I was scared though. I didn't want your hair to fall out or nothing.
If you cut it down a little bit, it'll be alright.
Do you want to try to tone it?
Let's tone it.
I mean, we already up.
I mean, if you go through the whole process and you asking me, I don't know.
I mean, but if... I was hoping that the shimmer lights would work. Struggling a little bit. All right, so we put the toner on, left it on for how long? How long has it been? 20 minutes. And this is what it looked like before we washed it out. Let's hope and pray that it's the right color. This is a lot for one night. Usually people will dye their hair twice and then wait and then do it again a week later. So we're doing a lot for one night. Better. It's still really yellow. I mean, not yellow. It's still really blonde. It's not like silver or anything. I don't know how platinum you want it to be.
Silver would be great.
Huh?
Silver would have been better than hot
You said you
Cheeto
didn't
yellow.
want. You said you didn't want silver. It's not hot Cheeto no more.
I definitely didn't want mango yellow.
It's not. It's not mango yellow. Yeah. See.
That's much better.
See.
Much better.
You like a bad bee. Look at me.
It looked like I don't even need a haircut now. I mean, I do, but... I said, oh my...
Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Oh, that's my dream. You think I did a good job? I kind of know what I'm doing.
The next morning.
Good morning. So, it is the night after. It looks good. It just doesn't look the way we wanted it to. So we're gonna dye it one more time. And we're hoping that this time it's gonna come out the right way and it doesn't fry his hair off. So I'm waiting for him to come down with the towel, but just mix some more bleach. Hopefully it turns out the way we want. But I mean, he looks cute. We just want it to be perfect. Sitting a couple minutes, been about 3 minutes or so. So we're gonna wash it out and reveal this This is it. This is all we got because I ain't got no more toner, nothing. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Much better.
3 hours later.
Okay, so Cam got his cut. Look how good it looks. Ooh. Cam's barber is like amazed with my skills. Babe, give us a twirl.
No.
Look at the camera. Give us some selfies, Slay. Look at yourself.
Feel great. It's a nice cut, you know. Wave's still dipping, so yeah.
Are you feeling yourself?
I mean, not necessarily, but
But you like it?
when I got my phone, like everybody in Best Buy was like, "Dude, who are you?"
Are you like a rapper? It's the finished product. Checked out them waves though. Ooh, the waves, boy. Cause you're preaching about storms tonight, so that really goes. It just goes. Wavy faith. You got wavy faith. Get out the boat.